guys, good morning. It is Wednesday and it's currently 10:20 in the morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa car park. As you can see, sa loob tayo ng sasakyan. Ate Paris is at school today and naisipan ko na pumunta ngayon sa shopping center with baby Celine para bumili ng kanyang school shoes. So hindi ko siya nabilhan kahapon. So we just arrived and tingnan nyo, kakatulog lang talaga niyan. Buti na lang hindi umiyak. So we're currently at Carindale shopping center, guys. Daddy Mike is working from home today and I think, you know, it's parang best na bigyan siya ng tawag dito, peace doon kapag nag-work siya. Kasi medyo hindi din maganda yung pakiramdam ni Daddy Mike. Alam niyo ba guys, like seriously, ayokong ganito palagi yung content natin, yung bang palaging merong may sakit and unfortunately yun yung ganap sa buhay natin. So alangan namang hindi natin isali, 'di ba? Hindi naman siguro pwedeng lahat ng vlog ay masaya lang. So, you know, we're including everything na nangyayari sa buhay-buhay natin dito. So, last night, first night ni Baby Celine na nakatulog na peaceful. Yung hindi siya umuubo, hindi siya sumusuka. So, maganda talaga yung tulog niya kagabi. However, on the other hand, so si Daddy Mike my goodness, I still have my cough. So si Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa office yesterday. We went to pick him up. Dapat sana sa park kasi nandun yung mga kids. But then he messaged me. Sabi niya, can you pick me up from the ferry station? Kasi he's not feeling well daw. He's feeling nauseous. And also, like he just wants to vomit. So nagpanic si mami nyo, guys. Picked up the kids straight away, put in the car, and then pumunta kami, pinick up namin siya doon sa ferry station. And yes, totoo nga, he didn't look very well at all. Umuwi kami ng bahay, straight away pumunta siya ng shower, pumunta siya ng bed, but I could hear that, you know, he's just not feeling good at all. And then, sabi ko sa kanya, if you need to vomit, sumuka ka lang kasi normally, kapag sinusuka mo, doon, medyo gumaganda yung pakiramdam mo. And, if you don't know, yeah guys, Daddy Mike doesn't want to, like, seriously hate vomiting. Wala naman sigurong gustong mag-vomit, diba? But, intense talaga yung kanyang hate sa pagsusuka. And then, I had a chance kasi napatulog ko na yung mga kids. Sabay ko pinatulog si Ate Paris kasi Baby Celine. And I had a chance to clean the house, wash the dishes, and then had a shower. Nung nandun ako sa shower, guys, dali-dali akong lumabas kasi I could hear Daddy Mike was like really loud. Sobrang lakas talaga ng kanyang suka. Luckily, nilagyan ko na ng tuwalya yung baba ng couch kasi sa couch siya na humihiga. Nilagay ko sa baba, sa floor yung towel ba, kasabi ko just in case na masuka ka. And then yep, truly enough, nasuka siya ng sobra. Grabe, parang bumaha sa sala, guys. Dahil sa kanyang suka. So agad-agad kong nag-grab ng pinadala ng mama ko na Nans, yung oil ba na nirab ko sa kanyang chest, sa kanyang back. And then sobrang tagal niyang natapos sa mukha. But after that, naging okay yung pakiramdam niya. Kasi nga, normally, yun yung nangyayari, diba? After sumuka, parang lumalabas yung mga bad spirits, mga bad na sa katawan mo. Umu-okay yung pakiramdam mo. And then, on top of that, meron siyang diarrhea. So, he's saying that he's probably got like food poison. And I said like, but ano bang kinain mo na food poison ka? Sabi niya kasi nag-lunch siya sa work nila. Kumain na siya ng calamaris. So, yung pagsuka niya, guys, calamari nga yung laman. So, sabi ko, oh my God, hindi pa nga naging sobrang okay from the flu. Ayan na naman tayo sa food poisoning. Yeah. So, at the moment, he's not feeling really well still, but at least it's not as bad as yesterday. Ngayon, nagpagsalita siya, but he's just feeling so down. Obviously, kasi hindi din siya kumakain ng mabuti, kasi, you know, kapag merong kang nararamdaman na ganyan, wala kang appetite. But he still took Paris to school this morning. Sabi niya gusto niya siya yung maghatid, so hinatid niya ang ating ate Paris. Well, yeah, I was at home with baby Celine. And yeah, anyways, so ngayon ilalabas ko na tong isa. Ewan ko lang kung sasakay ito ng pram niya. Hindi siya naka-pram for a long time na. But yeah, sobrang hirap kasi kapag hindi siya nilagay sa pram. So ilalagay ko siya sa pram. We'll go have a look for Ate Paris' school shoes. We'll also get Gatorade for Daddy Mike pag uwi natin. And while we're here, I think I'm gonna take baby Celine sa kanilang library dito para meron din siya activity para sa kanya. And yeah, maybe get something for my cuff as well. Yes, that's about it, guys. Yan yung update natin. Oh my God, seriously, sana hindi kayo maumay, guys, no, sa mga video natin na we're just all sick. But you know, I'm praying, and you know, please pray for us na maging okay na kaming lahat, kasi it's not fun being sick. Nailagay ko na ang ating baby girl sa pram, and surprisingly tulog pa rin siya. Punta muna tayo ng bank first. This is what we're looking for. There's lots of options here, lang. Let's go have a look. Oh, it's too big.
I've got my shoes on. Which one's
This one here.
Yeah, I actually went. I think like the tops are like around.
Finish this rin yung smart. Ay, start na. Push na na. Holly time. Yeah. Hold on to this. What? Ay, manabila. Yay! Dito kami sa harap ng Target ngayon. Titingin kami dyan. So the first shop na pinuntahan namin ay wala silang, apparently there's no size 8 sa mga school shoes nila. Kasi alam niyo naman maliit ang ating Ate Paris. So we, ano na lang, sabi niya you can buy online. She's done it all for me. Iba to siya, para siyang sneakers ba na black, kasi okay lang din naman na sneakers na black, or yung parang formal na school shoes. So yung binili ko na size 8 ay yung no, although wala silang stock, pinasend na lang nila sa bahay namin. So we're still on the hunt for the formal, what's that? School shoes. Sabi niya dalhin ko daw si Ate Paris dyan para ma-measure nila, kasi baka daw kakasya yung size 9 ba. So I'm not sure. Late ng paa ng Ate Paris natin. Hold on lang. Put this away, ha. Keep it safe. Uy! Finish! Ang bilis naman ng $3 nila na ko ay. Finito? Ha? No more. Pasok kami Target, kaya bibilhan ko ng swimwear sa Ate Paris, kasi may swimming school din sa Ate Paris this afternoon. And we'll see if we can find some shoes for Celine as well. Lang! Ang shoes niya from Kmart ay, ano? Ang tawag dito, staying strong. Nakma? Let's go? Sa food court kami. Just trying to get Celine to eat something, guys. Hindi pa rin mabalik ang kanyang gana. Look, no? Slowly, slowly. Have fried rice here. Got her some apple juice. Yan. After nito, uwi na kami. Yep. Yeah. Nakabili na kami from Target yung makailangan nila. Ipakita namin mamaya pag uwi ng bahay. Okay? Yummy? Hot? Blur? Thanks God, kumakain na si Inday. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga piece. Tingnan niyo, oh, hinahanap niya ang piece. Oh. Yum! Ganda pa naman ang kanyang kwantas, oh.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body.
It's 2:30 ng hapon, guys, and we are home. Pero nagmamadali kami kasi we need to pick up Ate Paris in 20 minutes. So, after namin pumunta sa shop, actually, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko sa shop. So, as mentioned, hindi ko nadala yung shoes kasi isisend na lang nila online. We went to Target. Binigyan ko sa Ate Paris nito for swimming niya this afternoon. Very cute. Take this off na. Mickey Mouse. Ang liit na yung sa kanya. Malaki na yung natin. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang cute. Ilalagay natin ito sa kanyang swimming bag. And then, while I was there, alam nyo ba, kakainom ko lang ng cold and flu tablet. Just sakit din ang ulo ko, guys. I bought Ate Paris another pair. Dinala namin yung sa kanya sa Pinas, guys. And punta kami ng guys sa shopping center ba. Bumili kasi siya ng bagong shoes. So, we put this one sa, alam niyo yung counter na iniiwan mo yung mga gamit mo pag pumapasok ka. So, pag kinuha namin yung gamit namin, mukhang nakalimutan siya ba. Pagbalik namin, wala na. Wala naman daw dun. So, someone took it. Sad, but anyways, I hope they enjoy that because I really like that shoes for the Paris. And then, nag-stop kami ng Woolies on our way home para bilhan si Daddy Mike ng kanyang mga Powerade at saka Gatorade. So, I bought 4 Powerade, 2 orange, 2 red. Tapos, 2 ano to siya? Gatorade ba to? Ang pangalan nito? Oh, Gatorade. 2. At alam niyo ba? Can you believe it? So, nung nandun kami sa shopping center, nag-message si Daddy Mike sa akin na kailangan niyang pumunta ng office kasi yung laptop daw niya nag-explode. My goodness. Seriously. Nag-explode daw. Kailangan niyang kumuha ng replacement. Doon na lang siya sa office mag-work. Like, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, seriously though. Like, he's not 100%. Tapos yan yung nangyari sa laptop niya. Ewan ko na lang talaga, guys. Sunod-sunod mo talaga itong pangyayaring ito. Hindi na tuwa. Bumali na rin ako nito. Coconut water kasi naka half price. That would be good for hydration as well. And gusto ni baby Celine bumili ng balloon. So, ayan, bumili ng get well soon. Ibigay namin sa tatay niya. Actually, I think I need one for myself as well. Get well soon. Bilisan na ito kasi Ate Paris will be waiting there for us. I-ready ko lang yung mga gamit niya for swimming and we are off. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang pad. May tuwalya na dyan. Bihisan niya mamaya. Yung hinahanap ko lang is yung kanyang swimming cap. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko na ilagay. We might just get another one from the school. Honey girl. Honey girl. Hey. What did you do at the library? Come on. Tell Mama. What did you do at the library?
We borrowed a book.
And? Very sweaty guys. Sobrang init.
We took a picture that was really cool.
Really?
It's kind of yucky.
Really?
It's a teacher's iPad right on the carpet. It looks like black spaghetti.
Really?
They put it on a black chair. It's so beautiful pattern.
Beautiful pattern. That's good, sweetheart.
When you
Show me the
put
book.
it on your hand,
Show me the book.
oh, so it's just disgusting.
Disgusting.
Disgusting look. It's just
Baby Celine na natutulog guys. Oh. I had to carry her. Oh my God, sobrang init. Ah, is that it? Is that the library bag?
yeah.
Ah.
This is what I was talking about yesterday.
Show me.
This library. I got my book. The witch and the book.
Hala. You know that one, don't you?
Yeah.
We always watch it, remember? On YouTube.
I just learned it.
Huh? You know the one says down.
Yes, I
that
said
one.
that when I was reading it.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Down!
So did you have a good day today? School?
Nice job.
We always watch this on YouTube. That's so cool, isn't it?
There you have it.
Go, you're swimming soon. Still not now. It's still early.
A few moments later.
Ayan na ang bagong swimwear ni Ate Paris. Sabi, show me ate.
No, to drink!
Lady girl. Ayan na naman ang ating Celine. 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 Ang dilim-dilim na guys. Uy, tingnan niyo. Oh, it's only 4 o'clock. Malakas na naman yung ulan ba? For sure. Tonight. Careful! Umuulan. Tapos na yung swimming. Look what I got! Bumili ako ng plants kanina. Oh, have a look.
Why do we
Oh,
have
more green in the
plants?
house.
Why do we have plants?
I bought it now. Look. So I got this one
Why
from...
is it outside or inside?
It's for the inside. Tapos namatay na yung iba dito sa loob. So, I'll replace it. I got this one for $24. Ayan, $24. You know me naman guys kung gaano ko love magkaroon ng green plants dito sa loob ng bahay. So, dalawa yung binili ko. The other one is a little bit smaller. Para sa mesa siguro. I'll find it somewhere. Hi, love! And this one was for $16. Ayan. Do you like this one, baba? Doon ko ito lalagay siguro sa mesa. It looks very nice, diba? Green. Celine? Don't stop playing with the rocks, ha? Do you like it? No? You don't like it? I like the plants lang. It's very nice. Alam niyo ba ito, oh? Inano ko na naman. Yesterday, the other day, pinilian ko na naman yung mga damit ng mga kids at sa akin. Ayan. Papadala na naman natin to ng Pinas. Ayan, oh. Dami na naman. 2 malaking bags. Lily girl! What are you doing, Nak? What are you doing? Are you washing the dishes? Huh? It's nearly 6 o'clock, guys. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay matatapos 7 o'clock pa. So, he'll be late when he comes home. Maybe when he comes home, tulog na tong mga kids. Nak na. We'll prepare dinner soon. My goodness. Ay, nauubo pa rin si mami niyo. Coconut water is so refreshing. Hi guys, it's 10 o'clock at night. Ngayon na nakapag-vlog si mami ulit. Naging hectic na ako kanina eh. So, pag-uwi namin, nagluto ng hapunan, nakain yung mga kids, at nakalimutan ko ng camera. Anyways, tulog na yung mga kids. Nag-shower yung dalawa kanina. So, tulog si Ate Paris sa kanyang room. Actually, nilagyan ni Daddy Mike ng cream and everything sa Ate Paris. Ayun, nakatulog. And then, Celine is also asleep. So, this time time na ni Mami for herself. Maghugas tayo ng ating kamukhaan.
What I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Guys, nakapaghilamos na ang mami nyo. Malinis na ang ating mukha. I-end ko na yung vlog natin dito, but I'll do a quick shout out. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat guys for always supporting our channel. Palagi kayong nandyan na nagko-comment, nagla-like sa ating videos. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much guys for being with us. All through these years. Ayan, iiyak na yan. Shout out to Debbie Amantillo, DILG Concepcion Tarlac, Yet Balino, Maret Del Valle, Leo Marie Bagaipo Vlogs, Ashik Life, Maria Teresa Rose de los Santos, Estrelita Casinillo, Sweet Shy Kulit, Delaney Prince, Edgar Enova, Margie Tamba Yap, Marilu Pilarmino, Cherry Tamayo, Esmeralda Fields and Moonbeams Teresa RL, Belinda Jesus, Jean Bagsik, and Pretty Jen. Ayan. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.